In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get started with Discover Heal using your mobile device. Yes, your mobile device. I'm going to go ahead and log into Heal worldwide. I'm going to download the application. Click on the link below to get started with this online business educational platform today because you want to do that. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video because this is the place to be to grow your brand and to grow your bank account. Now, as you see what I just did there, I download the mobile device. I already had it installed, but I'm showing you exactly how to do that. Now I have a Play Store. Well, actually I have an Android, so I'm looking for the Play Store icon. And then I'm typing in Heal Worldwide, and then I can open it right there. So let me do it again. Let me go ahead and do it. And Play Store. And then I'm going to Heal Worldwide, and then I'm going to open it up right there. Now, all you do, all the beginners, if you just sign up with Heal, download the mobile device and look at this. New to Heal, start here. That's all you do. Start here. Then the first thing is you get started. Let me go ahead to the top here, to the intro. So the intro right there. So basically what I did was I clicked there at the top here. You see these little lines, these three little lines? That's how you can kind of get started. So I was at the stay in focus, which you just saw there. But if I can always go back and go to intro to get started. Just like that. It says, yes, I will finish. So you'll watch this video right there. Check it out.
My name is Stephen Munson. Welcome to the Heal VIP experience. Now, this is set up for you to win. The key is that you must follow this very simple process and go through the steps that we have in place for you in order to get the results. I'm the CEO of this company. I built it from the ground up. I started with $1 and results. When I say results,
look at that. That's Stephen Munson, the CEO of Heal. You'll watch that video right there. It's a very impactful, inspirational video that you'll watch. All the people that started out from Heal, you'll watch that video first, and then you'll go right to the next one as well. And as you see this, when you click on yes, I will finish, then you'll go to foundation. Foundation, it's another video. And then also you'll have homework assignments that's right down here. That's assignment number 1, assignment number 2, and assignment number 3. So make sure you watch the videos and you do the homework assignments. You can do it right from your phone. This is so cool. Look at this. Right from your phone. You got the commitment, the community, and the communication. Well, communicate. And then after that, you'll go on to the next one, which is the action. The sales process, the VIP action steps. Then you'll watch that video right there, 9 minutes and 57 seconds. And then you got the assignments once again from there, and you just click on next. See that next there? You go right to the next one, which is automation. You continue going all the way down. So you're probably wondering, like, how do I get started with Heal, this online business educational platform? And this is a good place to do it. And I go right to the Heal dashboard. You see the Heal dashboard? I can click right there to get right back to where I was. Now, if I'm back to here, I can go right there and actually look at all this information I can do right here. If I want to look at the Heal story, I can go to the Heal story, and I can learn more about Heal, the $1 and the dream. The Heal journey has been an epic adventure. So I'll get a chance to learn about Heal right from my mobile device from 2014 and beyond. Check it out. Look at that. So you can do that. You can actually learn more about Heal just right there. Now, the next thing you may want to do is go to systems and look at some of the support frequently asked questions. Now, this is a frequently asked questions section that you can learn more about Heal, about how to get started. You also can learn about running traffic, setting up your autoresponder, getting paid. Look at this. You can click on there, how to get paid, and after you sponsor someone. This is Daniel Kump, so he's going to basically explain to you, walk you through the steps of the frequently asked questions section. So you definitely want to go ahead and do this right from your mobile device. And look at this. I can go back to my back office, click there. At the top, once again, the three lines at the top, I'm just going through some of the process here. The next area is going to be the billing you may want to take a look at. The billing. And I will go all the way down and make sure you go to the billing portal or adjust save payment method. So go to these areas here to set up your recurring payments. That's very, very important. So I scrolled all the way to the bottom just to kind of save you a little bit of time there. So the next thing I want to do, I'll go out to the top, the 3 lines there. The next area I would look to go into is the mobile app. Now here's the mobile app. Now this is the number you need. Hold on, let me see if it's caught up here. I think it's a little frozen. Hold on here. So let me go back. So there we go. So the mobile app, you see this? Let me go. It's right there, mobile app. And look at this. So this is where you can actually download the actually application that we're currently on right now. So if you're on your phone and you see Apple iOS, you can download it right there, and it will actually redirect you right to where you need to go. See that? Redirect you to the Play Store. That's Android, and if I have an Apple phone, it's gonna go to the Apple Store preview. That's pretty cool, right? That's what that does there. This is your Heal mobile login code. You're gonna need this code. You're gonna need this code when they're basically asking when you're trying to log into your phone. For the first time when you're installing this, you're going to need this login code to be able to be access to your mobile Heal app. So you're going to need this. So make sure you do not share this code with anybody. And so make sure that is there. So that's another area. The Facebook group is another place to make sure you logged in there. Make sure you are active and making sure you're there. So that's what you want to go there. And then another place here, remember education. We were just at the VIP experience. After you set up your phone up from your settings, the frequently asked questions, and everything like that, you could do the VIP experience. Remember, we just went through that. Remember the VIP experience, it said start here. That's what that means. And then you have, let me go back, Heal dashboard, education. You can go to 6 steps to 6 figures. That should be next. After the VIP experience, you should look to go through the 6 step to 6 figures and follow these 6 steps. Step 1, 2, 3, you got 4, and you got 5 and 6. So follow these steps as well to making sure you're on track, because we want you to have the best year of your life. No question at all. And actually, and the rest of this stuff here is upgrading to Elite. You can go ahead and do that, upgrade to Elite. These are different packages that you can really do. But this video is just about getting started with Heal, the online business educational platform. If I go back to the beginning, just new to Heal, start here. Just start there. That'd be the first place to start and go from there. I kind of showed you a little bit of other things you can do, like the packages and things like that. If you're going on to education, these are other areas you can go. VIP Elite, Bulletproof, VIP Gold, VIP Silver, Heal Financially. Those are other areas that you can definitely go. But the first thing I want you to go ahead and do is just click here, new to Heal, get started, and you can just go ahead and get started from there. That's what I want you to do there. It actually prompted me to the last step, but you can always go back up there and to the intro right there. You see what I did? Let me go back. I just click up there and I went to the intro there. That's all I did there. So there you go. That is Heal Worldwide right from your mobile device. This is Adam Shelton. Get started really easy. Just make sure you start out with the VIP 7-day VIP experience if you're brand new to this online business educational platform. Let's keep it easy and simple. I know you can do this. Click on the link below to get signed up with Heal today. And I'll see you on the next video. Like, comment, subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you on the next video training with Heal.